Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your region on Facebook. Keeping your location updated on your Facebook profile is a great way to connect with friends near you and let them know where you are. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add your region on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile photo located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on the pencil icon in the upper right corner. This will allow you to edit your profile details. Now, tap on Edit next to Details on your profile. This will bring up the option to add your current city. Choose the option to add your current city. By default, this information will be set to public, but you can adjust the privacy settings to choose who can see your city. Once you've added your city and selected your privacy settings, tap on Save to confirm the changes. And that's it. You have successfully added your region on Facebook. Now your friends and followers can see where you are located and connect with you more easily. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Have a great day.